Good morning, students. Welcome back to computer class. So, let's restart our first chapter again. In our previous video, we have learned about things around us. Then, we have learned about natural things and man-made things. And we have learned that what is machine. Now, today we are going to learn features of machines. So, let's start learn about features of machines. FEATURES features of machine. MACHINE machine. Now let's learn features of machine. A machine is a man-made thing. A machine is a man-made thing. It makes our work easy. What actually it is doing? It makes our work easy. It works very fast. It works very fast. Now let's learn about types of machines. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about types of machine. Basically, machine can be classified in three types. Basically, machine can be classified in three types. Machines that works on electricity, machines that works on electricity. Now, what is the spelling of electricity? ELECTRI, electric, and CITY, city, electricity. So, machine that works on electricity. Next, machine that works on fuel. Machines that works on fuel. What is the spelling of fuel? FUEL, fuel. Fuel means petrol, diesel, CNG, they are fuel. So, machine that works on fuel. And last, machines that works on human energy. Machines that works on human energy. Now, what is the spelling of human energy? HUMAN, human. ENERGY, energy. HUMAN, human. ENERGY, energy. That is human energy. So, now let's learn about machines that works on electricity. Machine that works on electricity. Machines like television, refrigerator, air conditioner, fan, tube lights, they works on electricity. Machines like television, refrigerator, air conditioner, fan, tube lights, they works on electricity. So we can say that these are the machine that works on electricity. Now let's learn about the machine that works on fuel. machine that works on fuel. Machines like bus, car, motorcycle, scooter. They works on fuel like petrol, diesel or CNG. Machine like bus, car, motorcycle, scooter works on fuel like petrol, diesel or CNG. Now let's learn about the machine that works on human energy. Machines that works on human energy. So machines like bicycle and swing machine that works on human energy. Machines like bicycle or swing machine, they works on human energy. So here we have an example machine like bicycle and swing machine. They works on human energy, means they are not working on electricity, they are not working on fuel, they works with human energy. So this three types of machine and the features we have learned. So now let's read from our textbook. So here we having features of a machine. So repeat after me. FEATURES, features of a machine. A machine is a man-made thing. A machine is a man-made thing. It makes our work easy. It makes our work easy. And last one is, it works very fast. It works very fast. These machines run on electricity. These machines run on electricity. ELECTRICITY, electricity. So here the first picture is of electric train and the second picture is of air conditioner. So these machines run on electricity. Then these machines run on diesel, petrol or CNG. These machines run on diesel, 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 PETROL, petrol or CNG. So here we have a picture of car and bus. They works on fuel like diesel, petrol or CNG. So here we having one brainstorm. Do you think a sharpener is a machine? Yes, sharpener is a machine because it helps us to sharpen our pencil. So sharpen is also a machine, but it works on human energy. In gain knowledge, we having topics like a nail cutter is also a machine. A nail cutter Nail, nail. Cutter, nail cutter is also a machine because it helps us to cut our nails. Scissor, Scissors, scissor. Seesaw, that we have seen in gardens, and zip are also machines. Scissors, seesaw, and zip are also machines. We can make some machine works. We can make some machines work. Swing machine, cycle, rickshaw are such machines. So these are the machine that works with human energy, or we can make this machine works. So all these are machines and features of machines. We'll learn about a computer in our next video. So till then, stay healthy, stay safe, and keep learning. Thank you, students.